people, my name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tequila sunrise mimosa. You heard me, tequila sunrise mimosa. I love mimosas. I think pretty much everyone does. It's just orange juice and champagne, but to this one we're going to add a little something else. We're going to add some tequila, and it's going to make it a little special, if you know what I mean. So let me pretty much tell you the ingredients you're going to need. So you're going to need, of course, your orange juice, some bubbly, also known as champagne, or you can also use Prosecco, sparkling wine, pretty much, whatever you want. You're also going to need a little bit of tequila, and you're going to need some grenadine. Last but not least, you're going to need some orange slices. I like to serve mine in my champagne flutes, but pretty much wherever you want to serve it, you can serve it in. But I think something that's a little longer is better, because you can see the effect, because this is the cutest drink. This is like so cute and delicious. And delicious, will make you very happy. Oh, disclaimer, you need to be 21 and older. I don't want anyone coming at me. This does have alcohol, so 21 and older. This comes together so very quickly, you have no idea. So you want to add your tequila right into the glass. And in my website, you're going to find the written recipe, but this pretty much just kind of varies on how much tequila, how much Prosecco, how much orange juice you like. It kind of varies. So I'm going to leave you the exact measurements I like to use, but obviously it depends up to you. Then we're going to add some bubbly, pretty much about, let's say halfway, a little bit more. Okay, that looks pretty good already. And then we're going to add our orange juice. And last but not least, we're going to add few splashes of grenadine. You want to add this gradually. I'm going to get this little piece of orange, and I'm going to make a slit right at the bottom, not all the way. We're going to garnish it with it. And here you have it, your tequila sunrise mimosa. Isn't that beautiful? Let me give you a close-up so you can see it. Okay, a bit of a close-up so you can see how cute it looks. You can also garnish it with a sherry on top, but I just think the orange makes it look very pretty. This is a very fun drink for the summer. You can serve this at brunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. That's good. This is so good. You can mix it if you wish, so you can get a little more of the grenadine flavor, because at the moment you really can't. All I tasted was tequila, definitely tequila, Prosecco, and the orange juice, but still very, very, very good. Like always, drink responsibly, and cheers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.